this money and leave it in my ashes. The Lord is blessing me right. The thing inside it. Slowly waiting my
Pailaila ko si mo sister.
Salamat brother.
Sige brother.
The
Hello. What's your nationality?
Canadian.
Canadian. Your first time here in Mawal Bawal?
Yeah, I just got here yesterday.
Yesterday. It's my first time as well.
Really?
I'm a vlogger. No, I'm from the south, Davao City. Yeah, but a bit far here.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, mapasin na akong sister guys. Mapasin na. Kalit-kalit ra pag yun. Yun mapasin naman din kay nada siya gig by. Mulite pa niya akong DJ na sister. Howdy ha. Dapat pasayawon nimo, ang goal nimo pasayawon nimo ang mga brother sister dito na maka-partner sila. Mo ni mong goal as a DJ. 'Di ba? Good vibes. Bless and love. Bless and love. So brother man ako ni. Brother. Musta? Kailan pa ka sa kuha? Si brother ba? Sama ka. Oy, wala mo kaka-remember kay brother nun sa deka. Guys, attention. Please ko ba ipa-save ko sa akong mga Facebook messages, post, blessed and love. Kasi parang if ever mawala na ako dito sa earth, meron pa tayong naiwan na message, vibration, frequency. Thank you. Ganan ko sa mong energy.
Thank you.
Sa man mo relationship status?
Oy, single.
Tama lagi.
Like this. Una lang ka, brother.
Brother! Galawan na brother! Maligo na ta, basig na ni maho na kadiha ha? Kaligo na brother! Let's go! Woo!
Brother, balance na Matrix.
Yes, brothers and sister, balance na Matrix dire para maligo ta, para mamumot ta. Let's go.
Brother, ano na sister naman ka?
What's your name?
Victoria. What's your name?
Your sister?
What's your name?
Brother.
Like the real one.
Like Brian brother.
Huh?
Brian brother.
Okay. Marian. How long are you staying here?
1 month more.
4 months.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm gonna tell me your matter.
Brother na ka sa Matrix? Brother, nagbantay ka sa Matrix? Well, if that's my mission, okay. If to guard the Matrix is my duty. Yo brothers and sister, nata karon sa Badian Highlands of Cebu City by just traveling with our car. Kamusta ang Matrix dire? Wow, balanse kayo ang nature by, pero guot lang ang dalan. Bless and love. Let's go. Muwal-buwal Matrix na kung magbantay guys. Traffic po dire dapita. Oh, sister. Kaunta.
Hi brother.
Hi sister.